Welcome back to Indira's World. For all those who haven't watched this program before, it's healthy, it's quick, it's easy, and it feeds the family. Today's show, Salmon Over the Rainbow, quite self-explanatory I guess, is about salmon. And why I picked salmon is obviously the health aspect, and a lot of people are eating more fish than anything else rather than red meats and so on because of the health aspect. Also, it's very high in omega oils, and that's good for your skin, that's good for everything. I've tried to introduce ingredients that are going to help the rest of your body for balance. And so let's do this. Right, now here we have, I'm using 1 tablespoon of honey. I'm going to mix it all in this wine glass so you can have a good look at it. That's a tablespoon. I'm going to add that because we leave a little behind in there. I'm putting a tablespoon of olive oil, a tablespoon of mustard. Now I've used quite a coarse mustard because I quite like the taste of coarse mustard. This is as easy as it gets. Now you just whip that round. If you don't like a very strong mustard, or you don't particularly like mustard, you know, you don't have to use the mustard, but be a bit boring without it. You can use a milder one, even a Dijon or French mustard. But all I'm going to do here is whack that on the top. Oil your baking dish before that when you're doing that. And that goes on top, and on that I'm going to salt it. Here again, that's as much as you need. Now, if that isn't an easy way to cook your salmon, what is? So that's all ready to go into the oven. We move on to the next one. We're going into round 2, which is springing into summer, another fish dish of mine, also salmon. And here we go. Simple again, very simple, very easy. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. That goes in there. I've used the clear glass so you can have a good look at what's happening. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Whoops. It's spilled over, that's okay. That's 1 tablespoon. Now I've used 1 teaspoon of soft brown sugar. Soft brown sugar, you can use any other sugar if you want, but I do like the texture, I like the smell, I like the color. We're gonna whip that up with my whipping instrument known as a fork. So that goes through there. Now, here comes the fun bit. We're gonna make thin juliennes of spring onion. Now, you don't have to be amazing at cutting things. Not everyone chops it like a pro. I certainly don't. So I'm gonna chop that up for that to go on the top. There you go. And this bit, this is the fun bit, because I love the colors. I like lots of color in my food. So I'll take the leeks off the onion, spring onion there, the end bits. That's done. I think that's plenty. And here, again, I've taken about 1.25 inches of fresh ginger, skinned it. Don't always skin it, but you can. Now, I'm not going to use all of it. Use about 2/3 of that. Again, I've cut it into thin slivers or juliennes. That's it. Now, that goes on the top. And you're pretty much ready. You can flip this over or add a wee bit more on the top, but this is good. It's all ready to go now. So we're going to pop those two in the oven for 20 minutes, around 170 degrees is what I usually do it for. And of course, the amazing marinade goes right at the end. And make sure that brown sugar is dissolved. There you go. And so you've got the salt from the soy sauce, you've got the moistness from the olive oil, you've got the ginger, which is sharp, which is a very good digestive, by the way. Spring onions, which is lovely and fresh and also cuts the fishiness out of it. Yeah, I think that's pretty good, isn't it? And the sugar, you know, the slight sweetness is always nice with fish. There you go. These two are ready to go into the oven. These two lovely babies have been sitting here for about 10 minutes and they've all got all marinated and nice, and they're going to go in there into my oven, into my baking dish. And the oven's already at 160 to 165 degrees, and I'm going to leave it in there for about 15 minutes, and then for the last 5 minutes I'm going to turn the grill on for a few minutes, and that should be crisp, brown and really lovely and ready to serve. Here we have it, my spring into the summer salmon and cutting the mustard. Salmon also. And this is all ready. What I thought I'd do is serve it with the salad because, you know, it's lovely at the moment, sunshine. I've got mouli, which is you'll get in most supermarkets. And I've used my peeler to sort of get these thick slivers of it in, and carrot. To that I've added mango and strawberries and pineapple, and got myself a very fresh and happy salad. It's a combination of sweet fruit, veg, everything going, and some spring onion as well. And that's my salad on the way. Now what I thought I'd do, rather than think of a different dressing, I've used mustard, honey and olive oil, all the stuff that's left over, and made myself a honey and mustard dressing to go with this, and I think with a twist of lemon, and I think with the sweet and sour and all the fish taste, that's going to look and taste amazing. Now here I have it. I'm going to plate up the fish onto my very fishy dishy, and the little luck, I won't destroy it. There you go. And with it, I've fried lotus stem. I've just pan fried it and thought I'd serve it with that, with a dash of salt and pepper on that. And here it is, my salmon over the rainbow, and with ribbons of vegetables and fruit, and very colorful. Hope to see you next time, and don't forget, if you don't follow me on Indira's World, it's time. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this program, and I hope to meet you again next time, salmon over a rainbow. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, don't forget Indira's World, and give me a thumbs up if you like this. See you next time.